I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Bishop. I think I got the Power Wand liner. I work fast, so I need a liner that can catch up.
Paving this shit crank.
Hit up the Bishop dudes. So I appreciate you, Franco. You know, y'all need a black person on your protein, but I ain't gonna say nothing, but you know, not me, I know a few. But anyway, I'm gonna do an unboxing right quick, and then also later, we're doing a feminine energy photo shoot with all my female artists, all my female teammates. Show y'all some behind the scenes stuff like that. So yeah, check it out. What's all this goddamn noise? What's all this noise? What's all this noise? What's all this? What's all this noise? Oh, it's a cyber. Yeah. What up? Setting up? Well, you need to get this station together. You got a vision?
Think about it. I was thinking about it. It sounds like I need to add this content. I don't know what I got in mind, but something that's yeah.
Just making sure y'all can create magic. Power Wand. Love the packaging. Love it. Love it. Looks expensive. So of course, let's use some $2 scissors. Open it up. Nice, dense, decadent, magnetic box. Love those. There's always good stuff in a magnetic box. Love the matte leather seal. I see that. That's marketing right there, buddy. That's A game right there. You get your logo on the zipper. Pamphlet. Oh, we love stickers. Tattoo artists are whores for stickers. Semi manual. How to. Scan code if you need help. Let's start over here. Charging station from Critical. Always dope. Oh yeah. I couldn't wait to actually feel this in my hand, so this feels really nice. It's very light. It's got the magnetic battery. Let's see how the bigger battery feels. Oh yeah, not too much of a difference at all. It didn't get heavier by too much. Let's see, cord, super flexible. As a tattoo artist, you know, these little areas, oh man, we kill them. We murder them. Charger. And then your power cord. Okay. So that is the Bishop Power Wand. I got the liner. I tattoo big full lines, so that's gonna help me. My tattoo machine cannot be a weak one. Now, some other artists' finesse game is up, and that's dope. But for me, 2 thumbs up on the Bishop. I'll show y'all some more videos of me using it later. But yeah, let's go. I think I'm gonna change the grip. I have big hands, so I think I want to put this one on. Yeah. Alright. So, okay. Comes with the grease already, which is nice. Because I don't know shit about where to grease from the factory. Yeah, Bolo. I am Bolo. Oh, that feels good in your hand. These are the Bond disposable grips, and it's the 2-inch one. Perfect. Oh man, yeah, so much better. Thanks for helping an overage tattoo artist out, especially in these areas. When you gotta lock that, put that pinch on it, and then come, you know, doing all that, that feels great. All right, and I'll give this one 2 thumbs up. Yeah, so we got them charging up nicely. All ready for the boost up.